Ang layo pala. We've done the taxi ride.
So we kind of cheated. We found it.
We found it.
Ah, the ticket is 18 euros. No, sorry.
Huh?
You're ready to go. It's 18. There you go.
Turkish? Around
Roughly, yeah.
450 Australian.
Outside. So this is a official.
UNESCO
Yep.
heritage. So if you're killing time while waiting for your flight, you can come here. It's about 15 minutes drive from Garemi. Look at those fairy chimneys.
They look like mushrooms.
This is the famous Instagram spot.
That's fine.
That's the spot. This is the famous Instagram spot.
Okay, we're forming an official queue. We're next in line. Yeah. I'm just trying to absorb.
That place was hectic for their Instagram photos.
You get all the photos you want?
I think so. You've done well.
I'm learning. This is my crash course.
Now we're gonna walk back. Some more spots there.
Which spot? The broken mushroom.
Very interesting. Okay, I think the road is here. There's McDonald's?
There is McDonald's.
There is?
Habanos.
Oh.
Habanos, is
Is there Starbucks here?
Yes.
There
Oh my
is?
gosh!
Where?
Habanos.
Oh.
How far is Habanos?
From Gurmit to Habanos about 9 kilometers.
Thank you so much, my friend. Bye. Have a good day. Hey, we finally managed to hitch a ride.
Yeah. It was really good.
He's very friendly, understanding, and he knew we needed to go back because we said we got a flight back. So. Ice cream time! Ice cream, you scream.
Are you ready?
Ice cream time.
Time ice cream.
Ice cream time. How much for ice cream, my friend?
Yes.
Thanks.
Where are you from?
Oh, mixed ice cream. How many do you want, Han? Medium or? You still?
Time. Time.
Can you get two flavor, huh?
Mix.
Yeah.
Take it. Oh, mashallah.
No!
What?
You're very quick, man.
Mix. Good ice cream.
Showtime! Showtime! Thank you.
How are you? Taste. Ice cream.
I love the show. I love the show.
Which one later? Ciao.
You say bye.
Bye. We just say bye.
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 That was fun. Here you go. That was the ice cream experience.
It's actually nice. You want? Ice cream time.
It's nice. It's very creamy. Like almost like gelato.
That was 15 euro.
Are these owned by Australians? Kasi you got OZ. Travel. This is your last coffee.
Time to go.
Last coffee. Cheers.
Thank you. What do you?
Do you guys the recipe? Turkish coffee recipe. Comment down below.
Or we can just ask them at the shop.
Going to Istanbul. Going to the airport.
I'm gonna sleep now. Good night.
Good night.
Where do we go when the leaves turn brown? Where do we hide when the sun goes down? What do we do when the fire goes down?
Okay, we're in our room. We're just gonna do a quick room tour. We are at Ibis Tazla, Istanbul. It's about 15 minutes from the airport. It's very close. It's good for a quick stop over in the city. We are on the Asian side still. So tomorrow we're gonna try and cross over there. This is the tourist area. Apparently, he was saying you have the option of catching a boat across or the train. And that's the famous Bosphorus. That's where Asia and Europe meets. Interesting, right?
Interesting.
Yeah, learning so much.
Alright, so this is our room. We got a mini bar there, this table, a safe. Pretty basic.
It's safe there. Let's check the bathroom. The toilet. Oh,
Very nice.
it's cozy.
Yeah. Okay, get a mirror there. We're off to have some food. See? The universe have heard you. They got
Why?
spaghetti bolognese.
Oh yeah, I've been looking for that one.